Watch carefully. He once calculated that he could experience up to 180 peaks in a single day, sometimes just minutes apart. Now 30, married for several years, and a father. He suddenly found his life severely disrupted by this condition. It's gotten to the point where he's afraid to take his child to school or attend parent-teacher meetings, fearing an uncontrollable episode might embarrass them both. Despite seeking help from numerous doctors, most could only advise him to try and relax. The constant arousal caused swelling and discomfort, sometimes leading him to apply ice for relief. What might be considered pleasurable for others, for him, is a cruel nightmare. McLaurin was diagnosed with persistent genital arousal disorder at 14. Misunderstandings from his family compounded his suffering, with his mother using harsh words against him, mistaking his condition for a lack of self-respect. Now, at 28, those painful memories linger. To manage his condition, he has to take over 30 different medications, with no guarantee of their effectiveness currently. There is no cure specifically for this disorder, nor is the cause fully understood.